Vechain's massive breakout is just getting started, and this breakout is playing out after we continued to hold above a significant key area of support at the 0.02081. And at the time of this recording, Vechain has now managed to break above the 20-day MA on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support, and is now attempting a break above resistance at the 0.02702 and a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest. Then I will be watching for higher prices, expecting Vechain to give us a break above significant highs here on the 1-hour chart above the 0.02979, and a break above that significant high will be mega bullish, having the 0.03212 as my next target areas to the upper side. And in today's video, I will be giving you my breakout target areas and other possible scenarios that we need to have in mind, and above all, share what I'm expecting on the long term, and also give you areas within which I am placing my DCA orders here on the Vechain chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I've said to you that the first case scenario that I'm expecting in the next coming hours is a break above resistance at the 0.027, flipping it back into support with a retest, break above significant highs, having my next target area above the 0.03213, and the moment we manage to break above the 0.03213, then I will be expecting for even higher prices, having the 0.036361 as my next target areas. We also need to have in mind that since we have not managed to break above resistance at the 0.02706, we can get rejected at this key area of resistance, and if such a scenario plays out, then we can expect for maybe a bit of a pullback before we can get another attempt to break above that key area of resistance. And if the break is a success, then we can continue expecting higher prices. But if by any chance we get a pullback, that is a rejection and a pullback, and maybe we continue seeing an increase in the selling pressure, then we need to pay attention to the 0.02081, which is a significant key area of support here on the Vechain chart. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term here on the Vechain chart. And now jumping to the daily chart to give you what I'm expecting on the long term, and also give you areas within which I'm placing my DCA orders. On the daily chart, you can easily see that Vechain last year in June gave us these significant lows below the 0.01325, and after getting that significant low, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the 0.0551 in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a first wave, whatever we expect next is a bit of a pullback in the formation of this second wave. And once we have a low in place in this wave 2, then I will be expecting a mega bullish move to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made back in June last year to the highs that we made this year 2024, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts, which perfectly lies between the 0.03418 and the 0.02214, which is the area over here, which is an area that we have seen a pullback into, almost fully maximized that area, and soon I'm expecting to see a reaction of this area to the upside. And the moment we continue seeing that bullish momentum, break above significant highs, and also break above the high that we made at the 0.05522, that will be mega bullish, indicating the start of that impulsive move to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3. And Within this area that I have marked on the charts, this is the area within which I am placing my buy orders, that is my DCA orders for Vechain. And I believe that as long as we are holding within this area, Vechain should give us a massive pump to the upside. We also need to have a worst case scenario which can play out in case we see a breakout out of this blue target area to the lower side, and using the Fibonacci's once more, in case we break to the lower side of the blue target area, then we need to pay attention to the Fib level 0.88, which perfectly lies above the 0.01816, because if by any chance we lose the Fib level 0.88, that will be mega bearish for Vechain, where I will be expecting a total reset of this movement over here, giving us a reset of the bear market lows that we made at the 0.01312. So that is what we need to pay attention to in the next coming days. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.